Hi guys, my name is Carolyn. I'm the field director for Julia Pulver for State Senate, and I am making a short video training you guys on how to use Virtual Phone Bank through Van. It's a really good way to phone bank and have all of your results automatically uploaded into Van. That way you don't have to manually upload them after the fact, and it's a very easy platform to use. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to use it. That way you could be comfortable with it before you guys have to use it. Okay, so we have a number of different phone banks here. This is actually in Van. You guys won't actually see this, but what I wanted to show you here is that all of these phone banks have a code, and this code you will be given. You will either be given this code or you will be given a link to the code, to the phone bank itself. So let's see, if I click into, let's do the 44th Apartments here. If I click into that, if you see over here, there is a link, this openvpb.com, and that will be shared with you into your email, and you can click it and it takes you to the website. And when you start making calls, it will automatically upload the correct phone bank for you. Now, if you were to not know or have the link, what you could do is, let's just open up a new tab here and just type in open. Yep, you're going to type in openvpb.com. All right, and you would click Get Started. And every single time, it's going to ask you for your Action ID. Your Action ID is what you need for Minivan to Canvas as well. And that's basically your username and your password for any phone bank, any canvassing, anything that you do to volunteer for a campaign now. So if you haven't created an Action ID, I suggest you do that now, and you do that by clicking this link down here, Create an Action ID Account. And what it's going to want you to do is put in an email address. So it's already has a form saved, but you would type in an email address, and you would type in what you would want your password to be. And I suggest that you click Show Password so that way you know what you're typing in. And it's going to ask you for your first name and your last name and your phone number, and then you click Create Account. And then once you've created your account, you're going to log in. So I'm going to go back since I already have my Action ID and log in. Okay, so because I just went to the website, it's asking me for that code. So remember I said that this code over here, this code would always be given to you, or you would have the link. So what you would do is you would just type that code in, but for me I'm just copying and pasting it. Boom. That's one way to get in. The other way to get in is this way, by clicking the link if it's sent to you. You hit Get Started. Boom, you're automatically in because the code is built into the link. So with this phone bank, this one happens to be anybody that lives in an apartment. And so what you would do is you'd see a phone number, you would see their name, about how old they are. I put in the script, I put the voicemail at the top because most of the time you're going to be leaving voicemails. And then if somebody picks up, you've got your script to read down here. You can read through it. And then here's your support questions here. Can I count on your vote for Laura Dodd? Would you like to volunteer if they want a yard sign, etc., etc. If they hang up or you couldn't otherwise reach them, if you had to leave a voicemail, all you have to do is click this, click the correct button, and then hit Save Next Call. If you do talk to them, you choose an option, like say they're a strong Dem, Strong Dodd. You go down here, save, next call. Whenever you want to stop making calls, you just hit this button right here for stop making calls. It'll say thank you. You say leave session, and you're done. It's as simple as that, and it automatically saves everything that you do. Technically, you can do it with just a phone, but you have to be very talented. I'm not even sure I could do it successfully with just a phone. And the nice thing about this is that you can do it from your own living room. So if you can't make it to one of the phone banking events, you can share that virtual phone bank link through the email, and people can phone bank from their own living room. You can make, 2 or 3 phone calls on your lunch break if you've got, a spare couple of minutes. And it's a really good way to get a lot of work done in a short amount of time. I have enabled for all of our phone banks to show the overall progress. So that way we should be able to see how close to done we are getting on all of our phone banks. So let's all work together and rock it out and get out the vote. And I'm so looking forward to working with you all, and let's make it happen in November. Thank you, guys.